All right, so this is the workflow in a formative Gizmo assignment. You are in your calendar and you find an assignment. Okay, cool. You click on that formative, and once it opens, it'll tell you that you need permission, so you're going to go ahead and log in. In your case, you're going to be signing in with Google. Since this is a demo account, I'm going to just sign in with my other account, with my demo account. Remember, you just need to click on sign in with Google. So the formative assignment that I have to complete opens. Cool. Okay, so as I start reading the assignment, it tells me that I'm going to be using the density laboratory gizmo. So I'm going to click on it. Now, if I just click launch gizmo, I'm going to run into trouble because I am just going to be allowed a 5-minute preview. So I do need to log in. So I'm going to click up here where it says login and enroll. And I am going to add my login information. Remember, that's why I asked you to use the first part of your Oak Grove SD email. And I'm going to click login. So then I land on this page and I don't know which gizmo it was. So once I am already logged in, I'm going to close out of that window, which brings me back to my formative, and I'm going to click on the gizmo again. This time I am already ready. I am already logged in, so I can go ahead and click launch gizmo. Now, since I'm going to be working on both the gizmo and the formative at the same time, I'm going to go up here and drag the gizmo tab down. And then I'm going to minimize it. Drag it up so that it takes up about half the page. And I'm going to do the same thing with my formative. I'm going to resize it so that I can see both windows at the same time. Once they are minimized, remember that you can always make them bigger or smaller. That depends on your preference. Okay, so I start reading. In the gizmo, select the object. I do that. I answered my first question. Cool. I continue. I do whatever it tells me to do. Nice. Now, it is super important every single time that you see one of these boxes where it says get the gizmo ready, I need to follow those directions. So this one tells me replace all the objects on the shelf. I'm going to do that. And I'm going to make sure that the liquid in the beaker is water. I'm going to make sure that that is okay. So make sure that you always, so I did that, then I went ahead and undid all of this. Cool. Okay, now same thing. See, every time that I see a box that says get the gizmo ready, I need to do exactly what it tells me so that I can get my gizmo ready to complete the next section. Once I have answered all my questions, and right here I'm just going to go down. And I'm going to answer. So the crown, the third crown is pure gold. And I answer completely. I mean, for this demo, I'm not going to be doing the evidence and the reasoning, but I do need to hit submit at the end. Yes, again, it's fine if you submit if it's unfinished. Just remember that you have not necessarily completed it, but it's perfectly fine if you do. Hit submit, and you are done. You can exit the assignment. And that is how you work with Formative and Gizmo at the same time. The same is true really with any other simulator. You really want to work on two side-by-side windows. Remember that to open side-by-side windows, you just, let's say that you want to open this one. Remember, you just drag it down. resize, minimize the other one, and arrange them in your screen. Hope you find this useful.